Are you ready to uplevel your evolution? Would you like some healing support? Or maybe a boost in manifesting your intentions? Hi, I'm SomRa, ET Walk-In, Spiritual Awakening teacher and facilitator, visual artist, and sound channel. In this video, I'll be sharing with you insights about the upcoming solar eclipse and the power of transformational sound. Plus, I'll tell you about an awesome event coming up that combines both. It's called Fast Track to Empowerment. It's a channeled sound activation meditation with me and the ET Ascended Masters, angels, and other masterful beings whom I channel, called the Trigalian Sound Masters. Now, solar eclipses are excellent times to set clear intentions and get our energies in alignment with those intentions, goals, and desires. Eclipses also offer us an opportunity to elevate our consciousness into a more 5D perspective. As the moon's shadow passes over the sun, one door is closing while another one is opening. Using this opportunity consciously, we can shed old beliefs and identities that no longer serve us. Simultaneously, we can use this powerful transition to energize what we want to experience more of, feel, create, realize, manifest in our lives and in our spiritual development. This moves us forward with new light. In other words, a new level of enlightenment. The energetics of the eclipse on August 12, 2026 will facilitate deeper discovery of your inner resources and empowerment, encouraging greater confidence and effectiveness in life and on your spiritual journey. Combining these energies with the power of transformational sound increases these effects exponentially. Transformational sound is a general term that I use for sound frequencies that are projected or presented for the purposes of facilitating transformation, healing, evolutionary boosts, expansion of consciousness, things of that nature. And my channeled sound work is all about that. Common benefits of our channeled sound activation meditations are deeper relaxation, peace, joy, bliss, and well-being, effortless transformation, release of inner blocks and limitations to your goals and desires manifesting, greater spiritual awareness and intuition, progress in your healing, more openness to beneficial opportunities in your life, expansion of your capacity to receive those opportunities, increased personal awareness, including of your inner gifts, expansion of your creativity, including creative solutions to life's issues, greater connection with the divine, soul, guides, angels, star family, and friends, activation of soul memory and metaphysical abilities, and of course, ease of your awakening and ascension. Channeled sound is a bit different from regular toning, music, and sound baths. Some channeling may occur while the practitioner uses those. However, in my events, I'm specifically attuned to and communicating with my higher team, the Trigalian Sound Masters and the Divine, who are also attuned to your guides and angels and your specific needs. I allow a vast array of supportive communications, geometries, and frequencies through my voice, specifically designed to connect you with your inner power and higher team to clear blocks, resolve issues, promote healing, and facilitate your consciousness to a new level of spiritual development. I also include gentle drumming, bells, and crystal bowls here and there to support the process. I'm a conscious channel, meaning I'm fully aware of what's coming through me while it's happening. The core group of the Trigalian Sound Masters is around 35 beings, and the full collective is around 300 to 400 beings from various advanced star systems like the Pleiades and Sirius, Arcturus, Andromeda, Lyra, and many others known and not known to humanity and Earth, not yet anyway, but have been helping humanity and Earth for a very, very long time. We fine-tuned and honed the use of sound, including frequencies beyond human hearing, for transformation, healing, evolution, awakening, and more for eons of time. At the beginning of the event, I'll guide you through a brief meditation to connect you with your inner light, power, and your personal intentions of what you want to manifest. Then you can sit back or lie down, relax, and receive the divine sounds and presence working on your behalf. It's not so much about hearing the sounds as it is about feeling the sounds and the divine loving energies coming through. Therefore, listening with external speakers on your device is ideal. But if you have to listen through headphones, that's also definitely a powerful experience. This activation is not a meditation requiring mental focus. It's a facilitation. You're invited to relax your mind and expand to receive and accommodate more of who you truly are, an extraordinary, magnificent soul. During my events, while at times the sounds may be relaxing and soothing, like in a sound bath, sometimes they're really quite lively. Other times they may seem quite strange to the ego mind, or even funny, like when the masters are speaking language of light through me and other cosmic sounds. Your DNA, light codes, and starseed codes are also activated in the process, whatever is ready to come online at the time. One of the most powerful features of these sounds and frequencies is that the ego mind doesn't understand them, and so it doesn't resist them, not easily anyway. And so shifts can occur rather quickly and effortlessly, even shifts you've been working on for a very long time. It's really impossible to describe a channeled sound experience in words, and each event is different, and each participant's experience is unique. The Trigalian Sound Masters and I take you on a journey deep within your being, your inner cosmos. Some participants experience traveling to other star systems or ships and visiting star family, soul family, and friends. Some have past life recall, gaining insights about their current life now. And some folks experience more of a deep state of consciousness and inner peace. Whatever the case may be for you, the Masters and I hold a sacred space for you to experience whatever your loving soul is wanting next for you in your evolution. And we aim to have fun in the process too. Through our clairempathic, clairsentient, and claircognizant abilities, we are able to draw forth old stuck emotions and transmute them, like pain, sorrow, grief, anxiety, and so forth. And so you may hear sounds coming through me that relate to those emotions, and you may even feel them move through you like waves, and then you're free. Even if you can't attend live, receiving the facilitation using the replay recording is equally effective. Also, the solar eclipse energies continue to flow through and emanate through the recording, so you can use it again and again to help you with healing support, to catalyze breakthroughs, and energize new intentions. Pretty cool, huh? In a moment, I'll share with you a small sample of my sound channeling. Now, it nowhere near demonstrates what a full channeled sound activation meditation is like. But between that and your intuition, you'll know whether or not this upcoming solar eclipse sound event is for you. So, are you ready to release some old stuff, elevate your consciousness, and experience more of your own divine magnificence? Click the link below for details and registration. Now here's that sound channeling sample for you from a quantum conversations I had with Loren Gailey back in 2021 called Turn on the Lights, Release Your Pesky Elusive Blind Spots and Reclaim Your Divine Reality. Remember to relax your mind as fully as you can and receive. Enjoy.
What I'd like to do, since our time is coming to an end in our show today, let's have you leave us with a beautiful sound experience. What would you like to do for that?
Okay, so I've talked about a number of different things today, and those of you listening, you may have started making some connections. I hope you did in your own history, some things that you might have misunderstood, beliefs that you've had, and starting to see all the daisy chain of connections, or just have a sense of it, or maybe a feeling. And even if something like triggered you and you're feeling disturbed by something that I shared, that's energetic. That's information too. That's a clue. We're bringing stuff to the surface. It's a misunderstanding, because anytime we're experiencing anything negative, anytime we're feeling anything negative, we're believing something false. We're believing a false belief somewhere in our history. You don't necessarily have to know what it is. Just own it. Just admit, okay, I'm believing something that must not be true. I don't know where it is. That helps bring it to the surface so that we can clear it. And then the awareness can come afterwards. Or you just start to notice, hey, I'm not reacting to this or that the same way I did. So just notice any of those things that have come forward. And you don't have to necessarily define them. And so let's gather them all up. So I'm going to energetically, I'm working with everybody listening, including who are listening to the replay. Lots of intensity coming up. This is good. And then as I start to hear the sounds to come through, I'm going to go through a series of sounds, channeled sounds, and I've got the masters behind me. We're coming together on this. And if it's too loud for your speakers or whatever, just turn your speakers down a little bit. It's just, you just need the energy to come forward. They're the frequencies to come forward and hit your field. So everybody take a few deep breaths and let them go. Just kind of relax into your seat. Feel a sense of willingness within yourself to just be willing to admit that you misunderstood some things, and it's okay. It's all okay. It's a part of the puzzle that you, the soul, is solving. And that just brings it all forward. Helps open your field as you continue to breathe and relax. The more open your field is, the more receptive you are to change, to the transformation that you're looking for, that you're wanting. Good. Okay, I'm hearing to say call in your guides and angels too. They're with you, but this is helping you make a connection that yes, you always have higher help, even if you don't see it or hear it. Okay, the sounds are starting to come through. And just receive the sounds and let them move through your field and let them help dismantle all of these old patterns that you don't need anymore. Domesa. Thank you.
And with that, we are complete. We are free. We are vibrant. We are radiant. That was amazing, SomRa. The feeling of that and the emotion that that brought up is exquisite. Thank you.
You're welcome. Excuse me. You're welcome. And remember, folks, let me take a sip of water. All of these misunderstandings, all of these beliefs, all of these false identities, they're not you. You're not any of these things. Okay? It's all just been one big misunderstanding. You are a divine, infinite being here on a journey through an illusory, polaric reality that's not really reality, it's a context. You have everything you need to solve your puzzle. You're not a problem, you're a puzzle. And the puzzle gets more and more fun the more you accept yourself and your journey and your process in it. All your feelings, all your misguided beliefs. Love you, love them back into your wholeness. Reclaim who you are, the divine, infinite being, masterful being that you are. And we're glad you're here because every single one of you are a puzzle piece to the greater puzzle that's being solved.
And what a beautiful puzzle it is. You are not a problem, you are a puzzle. Beautiful.